Hi there, this is the poster of contributor success. We injected ourselves into the engineering poster session and we really loved it. We had a lot of people visiting the poster, visiting our group. And as you can see here, this is the team that was present at Summit, but the team doesn't stop there. We also have Mike and Oksana and also the GitLab core team, which is a group of volunteers that are contributing to GitLab very frequently. Now, what is contributor success? Our mission is to increase the efficiency of our contribution process to grow our contributor base. And you can see there that GitLab has the mission to allow everyone to contribute. And if we have more contributions, there might be more features, more quality, more stability, fewer bugs, and more users, which leads to more revenue. So it's part of our dual flywheel strategy, and that's why this team really exists. Our team initiatives are, for example, the community fork. You can find it on gitlab.com/gitlab-community. And it's a place where people could contribute to GitLab without any friction. We manage that place. We make sure it's a safe and enjoyable space. We also work on GDK in a box to make sure that you can actually get started with contributing to GitLab in less than 5 minutes. And working on GDK in a remote development workspaces experience. This isn't finished yet, but we'd love to continue to explore that option. Now, in addition, we also are working on increasing the value of a contribution. As you know, all of these contributors are volunteers. They don't get any monetary value out of that. So we're working on achievements that maybe you've seen in your profile, and also gamification, hackathon, leaderboards, and many of those initiatives. And in addition, there is a recognition and attribution. You probably know what the most valuable person of each release is, and some of you might have even nominated and voted for some of these MVPs. Additionally, we also work on fostering diversity, equity, and inclusion. For example, there is the diversity, equity, and inclusion badging integration that we collaborated with together with Chaos. And it's a way to scan your repository to understand if the documentation, the README files, maybe some other comments in your repository use a language that is as inclusive as possible. It does a lot more. I'm happy to explain you that in detail. Now, how can you help? We have over 40 merge request coaches already, but that's not enough. If you are part of the engineering org, please apply to become a merge request coach. You will see different areas of the GitLab codebase. You will see how these contributors are interacting with GitLab, and it's really a useful and enjoyable experience. You are able to help people, and you will get or can get rewarded for all of the work that you do in the thanks channel and beyond. So reach out to us on Slack in Contributor Success and think about community in everything you do. It's a way that we can scale, and it's really the way on how we breathe, live, and embody our values. So have conversations in public, do YouTube live streaming, host community office hours, join us in Discord. There's so much that we can do. And maybe we can both help each other. Now, as you can see, there's still a QR code here in this picture, and our action hasn't been finished yet. During the engineering poster session, over 30 to 40 people scanned this QR code for swag. And not to forget, also for trees. We have an entire forest for rewarding and recognizing contributors, but also GitLab team members that are helping our community. There's over 1,700 trees planted so far, and the aim is to at least 10x that. So we do need your help, and let's work together for a GitLab forest that's huge. And it allows us to know that you're interested in this story, and it allows us to reach out to you for more information and maybe to collaborate together. To give you some information on the metrics we love, in February, we reached our highest number since the beginning of 22 of 145 unique community contributors. Our goal is 170 by the end of this year, at the end of this fiscal year. So please help us to get there. Monthly, we have over 2,500 active unique community participants in our issue queues and the merge requests. And it's growing every day. On Discord, we have also over 2,000 people that are happily interact in a synchronous way, and they join our community pairing sessions and much more. So scan the QR code for swag, and I'll also add the link when I share this in our Slack channels. And yeah, thank you so much for joining the poster session. If you have any questions, reach out either in Discord. The link in Discord is discord.gg/GitLab. So also for people that are watching this that are not GitLab team members, you're welcome to join. And we're happy to have a conversation with you. Bye bye.